Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey with Kelleen. Please remember to like, share, and also subscribe, guys, if you have not yet do so. Now, this video is going to be a short one. I saw this article on disability school. It's very interesting, and I think it's going to be very helpful for the parents that has kids with disabilities and also people who also has disability, guys. Now, Uber is the company we're going to talk about and launching a service to help caregivers. Listen, as a parent with a disability child, I am happy to know that Uber is doing something like this. I remember when I used to get ride through just insurance. First, I didn't like it, but because the wait time and all that, and of course, the insurance started partnering with Uber. And the beauty about that service at the time when I was using it, I would request the service a couple of days before, just like how you request any other transportation service with your insurance to take you to your appointment. The beauty about that service at the time, whenever I'm ready to go to the appointment, they'll send a Uber to come and pick me up. The choice, to either use a Uber or Lyft or the regular transportation. Of course, I didn't like the regular transportations because they would take forever. For those of you who take those kind of transportation, sometimes you gotta wait up to 2 hours, right? I have had situation like that where I had to wait up to 2 hours. I'm telling you this story before I get into the article because Uber, I think, has been doing good things when it comes to this business, but also helping out this community, the disability community. So yes, at that time, I was able to take the Uber to my appointment, and when I was finished, I would just request that Uber, or I would tell them exactly what time my appointment would be finished. That Uber would be there within less than 20 minutes after my appointment, which was very good, very convenient compared to the service that the insurance would use. So I think another good initiative on Uber's part. So thank you, Uber. Let me get into this article. The ride-sharing service Uber is introducing an option designed to make it easier for caregivers to get people with disabilities and others they assist from one place to another. The offering, known as Uber Caregiver, will allow Uber users to designate a caregiver to arrange, pay for, and monitor rides for them. Caregivers will also be able to set up deliveries for individuals with disabilities or others they assist. Powerful news, guys. I really like this. Trust me, I may not be using it much, but I would just want to share it for others out there who it may be of help to. So as part of the service, a 3-way chat will allow caregivers and those they provide care for to communicate with Uber drivers. And caregivers will be able to see real-time updates as rides or deliveries are in progress. Caregivers are the invincible backbone of our healthcare system. They provide essential care for millions of people, often at great personal costs, but they shouldn't have to do it alone, said Kathleen Donovan, Global Head of Uber Health. Our new solution helps lighten the load. I think it will, and I think it's a great thing for Uber to be doing. The company is also partnering with Medicaid, Medicare Advantage, and commercial health insurers so that individuals can use any available benefits to pay for rides to medical appointments or to order groceries from Uber Eats, for example, directly through the Uber app. Wow. I also like that too because it's going to be so easy. Instead of calling the insurance and telling them this and all that, explaining what you need, they are going to make it easy by whether it's the parent or an adult with disability, they'll be able to just use the app and do all that. Uber Caregiver will be available to anyone with a smartphone and an Uber account. According to Swati But sorry, I did not pronounce that name properly. So yeah. Anyhow, he's the head of product at Uber Health. Caregivers can request services like Uber Assist, where a specially trained driver can help load and unload assistive devices. But the company noted that caregivers should not arrange rides for individuals who cannot ride alone. I mean, that's understandable. Like my child, yeah, would not have done that for my child because he's not able to do that alone. So that's a caution there. Uber users will be able to assign a caregiver to manage transportation for them starting this summer. This summer, guys. This summer. Thank you, Uber. As I said, I may not be using this service, but I'm sure plenty people out there will benefit, guys. And so I just want to share the news. The option for caregivers to order groceries and other over-the-counter items will be added later this year, the company said. So again, thank you, Uber. I think a lot of people will benefit. But anyhow, guys, I just saw this article and I just decided to, you know what, I'm going to do a quick video and inform my viewers. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.